Hey, what type of music do you like?
I'm into all kinds of music, but I mostly listen to rock and indie.
That's cool. Have you been to any concerts lately?
Yes, I went to a Foo Fighters concert last month. It was amazing.
I've never been to a concert before. Are they really worth it?
Definitely. Concerts are a great way to experience music in a whole new way. You get to see your favorite artists perform live and feel the energy of the crowd.
I see. Do you think music has any benefits?
Absolutely. Music can help reduce stress, improve mood, and even enhance cognitive function.
Wow, I had no idea. Where did you learn that?
I read it in a study by the American Psychological Association. They found that listening to music can have a positive effect on our mental health.
That's really interesting. I'll have to start listening to more music.
You should. There's nothing better than discovering a new artist or song that you love.